do? This is way too much to remember.
Hey, why don't you try using SOAP? Semester on a page. All of your major deadlines all on one page.
Wow, it's beautiful.
You can input your assignments one syllable at a time and label them with different symbols tailor-made just for you. But hey, that's just me. Then you can cross off days as time flies by. And you can plan ahead to have a relaxing weekend. You can also use it for clubs and other fun extracurricular activities. And when your friends are like, yo, do you want to go to the Chicano Batman concert on April 18th? It's gonna be fetch. You'll be like, whoosh. I actually can't. I have a math test the next day. And one day, when you have used a bunch of soap, and when you look back at all of them reminiscing to when you were in the trenches of your education and think, dang, I made it through a hell of a week and had enough pens to slash out every day with a different pen color. And you'll be grateful you got your stuff together and put it all on one page. So pick up your soap from the Learning Center today.
Cause who wants a dirty semester?
Semester on a Page and other helpful handouts are available at the Learning Center located on the first floor of the HSU Library.